Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we went to a local K-pop store because we saw that they stocked the Neozone T version. We actually brought along my sister's Jungwoo doll for luck because we really wanted Jungwoo and Jaehyun's card and as well as Haechan's card. The store is actually in Buena Park. It's at a place called The Source, and there's actually two K-pop stores there, and this one just happened to still be open during this kind of time, so we decided to head out over there to buy our albums.
Where is it?
I don't know, where is it?
Is it in here?
It's inside no, it's inside
Oh, it's in the book.
Yeah,
It's in
yeah.
this.
So it should be like in the middle or like wherever you feel. Probably up towards the back.
Oh.
Oh, mine was in the book. There you go. Yeah, that's it.
Oh my god.
Oh, I think it's here. Oh no. Oh yeah.
조영이는 하찬. Oh my god. I'm gonna open this one. I forgot.
What is it?
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
So 태영이는 하찬.
Cute.
So that was all for this vlog. I hope you enjoyed watching, and we will be uploading a full unboxing video of when we get more of our albums. So don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.